Hey, what's up guys, Mishu here from Mishu Productions, and today I bring you another video. Today's video I'll be giving you the best gaming PC for $550. This is focused towards people that want to get into PC gaming at a budget. I made sure that you could easily upgrade this PC without replacing other parts. With this PC, you will be able to play most games at 1080p 60 FPS. Make sure you stay till the end so you can find out what games you can run on this PC. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, starting off this build, we have an Intel Pentium G series with 2 cores and a clock speed of 3.5 GHz, which basically means it's not that bad processor, but the CPU does have hyper-threading, which will make the CPU seem like a quad-core processor rather than a dual-core processor. This processor is one of the best deals in terms of price to performance. With this processor, we have the ASRock ATX DDR4 motherboard. This is a pretty simple motherboard with 2 RAM slots and 1 PCIe port, which is good enough for the beginner PC. It also has 4 SATA ports. Speaking of SATA, we have a 120GB SSD from ADATA with read speed of 560 megabytes per second. The reason why I chose an SSD over a hard drive in a budget build is because of the speed. If you do need some more storage, then go ahead and pick up a hard drive instead of or with this SSD. I chose a single stick of 8GB of RAM because of upgradability. Once you can buy more RAM, you can just install it in the other slot. For the power supply, I chose a 500 watt non-modular supply from EVGA. All the cables in this power supply are fixed and can't be removed. If you really care about cable management inside your PC, then you can spend a little bit more money on a modular power supply. For the graphics card, I chose a GTX 1050 from EVGA. The graphics card has 4GB of GDDR5 VRAM and is also overclockable. This is the most popular graphics card for budget PCs and is a very good deal. Since it is from a dealer supported by Nvidia, you can download their Game Ready software, which will optimize your game settings, give you FPS overlays, and recording and highlight features. This is the software I use to record all my gameplay, as it doesn't really lag the game at all, and the video actually turns out pretty nice. To wrap up the build, I chose a simple and cheap case to spend, so I could spend more money on other parts. It's a simple, clean looking case with 1 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports on the actual PC. So it's a pretty nice case. It's very cheap, $25, which is very good. Now, some of the games this PC can run at 1080p 60 FPS are Overwatch on a mixture of medium and high settings, Fortnite on medium settings, PUBG with a RAM upgrade on medium and low settings, Destiny 2 on medium settings, GTA 5 on medium settings, and more games like Iron Sight on high settings. But anyways, tell me what you think about this PC and what would you change. That was the best gaming PC for $550. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So Mishu here, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.